Hello, teacher. My name is Kevin Silva. My pretty Yarumal, Antioquia. My family, Yarumal, Antioquia. I would like to share with you a beautiful experience about a treat I made with my mom. It needs to Yarumal, Antioquia. That is 3 hours from Medellin city. The road is spread good with beautiful views. With you head to this municipality, can feel it small or feel it pure airtime this region of Antioquia of as even is take either school with we arrive might outsheet get is delicious coffee to call the cool gather. I really enjoy this treat because I cheer with my family sit. I did not see them a lot time and it was nice to see the people that really appreciates us. Key advices and recommendation. Travel with coffee clothes. Bring salt food. Don't drink alcohol. Be aware of children eat the elderly. Carry raw. Carry water. Prepare yourself critical for the trip. A good communication with the people. What do you recommend to do at your city? Is a recommendation to have a good boot at the same time be comfortable. Also is important that you bring your identity document. Thank you, teacher.